Hey everybody, I am painting over this. Woo! This is the one I had painted to go in a frame, and it looks alright, but it's just not, doesn't say wow. So I'm repouring different colors. I got ARTEZA Deep Pearl Brown. Then I'm using the pouring acrylic colors. I've got metallic wine red, forest green, bronze, phthalo blue, and mid yellow. And I'm using my own ARTEZA mixed white paint for the base coats. There's no way that I have enough white from those little tubes to go over this. Alright. And since it already had another base, now it'll have a couple base coats on, so I think the colors will show up brighter as well. Because you can tell, look at the difference in the whites. Because this had sunk into the MDF, even though it had been primed. I think this one will be brighter. Just a little bit more. Alrighty. Don't want a lot of brown. Do really like pouring out of those. The labels come off super easy, so I'm going to wash those out and pour in my own paints. So I got the bronze. The frame is kind of a silvery metallic. Wine red. Well, let's do forest green first, which is not what I would call this color, but they do. Now the wine red. And the phthalo blue. Oops, I'm going to put the lid on that brown. Alrighty. Go. Had to get more coverage. Probably could have even used more paint, which, shoot. I never say that in Mallet Smashes. Put a little bit of color into here. already I like this better. Some more color in there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some color on here and do like a reverse smash. Some of the colors that didn't really show. So I got that going on. And I'm going to use the plastic mallet instead because it won't suction. I've never really added any color using like this technique. It causes the squiggles, but I like the squiggles, so I'm cool with that. Ugh, there's such a glare. Yeah, this is so much better. I'm looking, I'm having to tilt so I can see it without a glare. To try and decide if I want to leave it or not. I think I do. I think I want to leave it how it is. And if I don't like it, I just paint over it again. So there you have it, and the frame I think will look real cool with it. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.